Hi, I'm Jared of Stone Soup Farm in Belchertown, Mass, and this is how to grow carrots. So to start off, to grow carrots, you want to plant them in the spring, somewhere around 2 weeks prior to your last frost date. You want to have a piece of ground prepared that's nice and loose, especially deep. Hopefully you could have added some compost to it and have it fluffed as deep as you can get it. Smooth out the seed bed and take your carrots like this, and usually you want to plant carrots in rows, so you could take a common garden trowel and mark out your rows a little bit. We want about 2 to 4 seeds per inch. So when you're done with that, you're going to cover them up so that they've got about of soil on top of them, and then you'll want to water that in. If you want to plant a lot of carrots, then a common garden seeder such as this one is really helpful. That you can put your carrot seed in a hopper like this, and they have a seed plate which will regulate the rate that it comes out, and you just push it along the ground, and it will to be watered about once a week or so throughout the growing season, and they should be kept as weed-free as possible because they don't provide very much sunlight protection against their own kinds of weeds. So keep them well watered and happy, and in about 3 months, go ahead and dig them up and you've got carrots. I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to grow carrots.